Steven with Parts Doctor. I'm going to show you how to replace the lint scraper in this top load Fisher Paykel dryer. Let's get started. The lint scraper is located directly above the lint bucket. When lint builds up on the filter, it is scraped off and the lint falls right into the bucket. If the scraper breaks, the filter won't self-clean and cause the clothes not to dry properly. Start by removing the lint bucket, followed by the Phillips screw. Then, grab the lint collector at the bottom, pull out and down to remove. Now, using a thin tool like a flat blade screwdriver, pry the locking tab on the lint scraper. If you have a bad lint scraper and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. To install the scraper, align the tab and push until it snaps back in place. To install the lint collector, start by inserting the top first at an angle, pushing the bottom in, then reinstall the Phillips screw, followed by the lint bucket. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.